Today I want to show you guys some hairstyling ideas using your Kitsch Bun Maker. These are really easy, simple, and quick hairstyles that will have you looking so cute with very little effort. If that sounds good to you, then keep on watching. Before we get into the styles, I just want to go over a few reasons why I love this product. Kitsch was nice enough to send me a little PR package because I talked about their ponyful product in another video, and this product was in that PR package. I am not paid for this video, but they did send them to me for free, and I've been using them in my day-to-day life with my kids, and I'm like really liking it, and I think it's gonna be so convenient for my clients who don't really know how to do their own hair, because it is an effortless way to look chic and put together, and you can go from looking really casual with this to actually looking really formal with it, with, you know, very easy techniques. The reason that I like it is because it is 1, super easy to use, 2, very comfortable, 3, non-damaging on your hair. This is like a foam material with a wire inside, and 4, it's super fast. For hairstyle number 1, we are gonna use the small bun maker because we're gonna do a half up look. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're going to put your hair in a half up style. Before you put your elastic in, you're gonna take some of the hair out in the front just to frame your face. I really like using the hair around my temples. Now grab your small bun shaper, put it in, bring it to the end of the ponytail and roll your hair starting forward towards your face. Then twist that wire on the inside so that it meets in the back, and grab that hair and just push it all the way around. If you want your bun to be a little bit bigger, you can just pull on it. Grab a couple of bobby pins and just pin that into place so it doesn't look like it's floating on the top of your head. And there you go, look number 1 is done. For this look, I'm gonna grab my hair and put it in a nice high ponytail. I'm gonna leave some hair out around my face just to soften the look. I'm also gonna pull a little bit of hair out in the neck area because that's just a really modern high bun look. Grab all of that, pop in an elastic, and then before you use your Kitsch Bun Shaper, grab the front of your hair and pull it so that you get a little bit more volume. Now grab your large bun shaper, feed your ponytail through the hole, bring it all the way to the end of the ponytail and roll it, starting your roll forward. Then you're just gonna bend the wire so that it connects at the back. Now all you have to do is grab your hair, pull it out to widen that bun and to cover the entire bun shaper, and then pin it in with bobby pins. Then if you want, you can touch up your curls. And there you go, you look super glam and adorable in 5 minutes. In this next hairstyle, we're gonna do something that looks a lot more formal. So what you wanna do is actually take that front section of your hair and you're gonna clip it away and then put the rest of your hair up in a high ponytail. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab a brush and a little bit of hairspray and you're going to back comb that front section to give it a little bit more volume and fullness. I'm gonna leave the very front section out and I'm gonna style it like a curtain fringe so that I have a little bit of softness around my face, but if you don't wanna do that, you definitely don't have to, and you can just keep it all out. Now, I'm just gonna take that back comb section, I'm gonna smooth it out, and I'm going to pin it right at the base of my ponytail with 2 pins crisscrossing. Now what I like to do is I like to break up the bouffanty part of that updo, and the way that I do that is I just kind of brush my fingers through it so it doesn't look so coiffed and perfect, and then I spray to give it a little bit of texture. And now we grab our large bun shaper again, feed it through the hole, pull it all the way up to the top of the ponytail, and we roll it. Honestly, could the bun part be any easier? You cannot get easier than this. Now just grab a couple pins and pin it into place. And there is your second look. This can be really formal as well, but it can also be really casual depending on how you style yourself that day. Now this last look is a look that I do to hang out with my kids a lot because there is nothing in my face, there is nothing in my way, it's just easy and it is super fast and you do not need clean hair for it. What you're gonna do is you are gonna put your hair in a high ponytail, really smooth and slick. The way that I like to use this is to use some defrizzing products. So I like to use often the KMS Tame Frizz Defrizz Oil, and I also like to use a little bit of like a light hold hairspray. Okay, now this is where it gets a little bit different. Instead of just wrapping our hair normally, I'm actually gonna put my hair into a 3-stranded braid. Then I'm gonna grab that braid and I'm going to pull it out so that it's a little bit wider. Without even using an elastic, I'm going to grab my large bun shaper, I'm gonna feed it through, and I'm gonna spin it down. Now, we just have to grab our bun, we need to separate it and spin it around that bun shaper to hide the foam. When you are in a good place, just grab your bobby pin and pin it in. Now here's another product that Kitsch sent me that's really cool, and this is a little brush for getting all of your edges and taming flyaways. What I really like to use it for is to actually frame my face here. I'm Latina and I just find that my face looks really soft and pretty when I give myself baby hairs that I don't actually have. If you have baby hairs, you can use this to tame them and to kind of get them in the position that you want. But I actually like to create baby hairs that a lot of people in my ethnicity have, so that I have this like softening here in the forehead and it doesn't look so harsh. This is a really cool brush. If you don't have it, you should get it. As another little tip, what I like to do with it is spray it with hairspray, and then that really keeps the hairs in place. It focuses the hairspray exactly where I want it to go. And then you end up with almost like a rope braid looking bun that looks intricate and beautiful, but it's done in like a snap. Thank you for watching. I hope that you got inspired and learned a few cute new ways to do your hair with this tool. If you want to learn more hair technique videos or want to see product reviews, then click on these videos next. As always, I love you. Bye.